Hey guys, welcome back to Tsp Pink Salt. Today we're gonna keep it really easy and lazy. We don't want to stand over the stove today. So I have a 5 to 10 minute prep time recipe. That's my rice cooker quinoa. Let's get into it. So the first thing I'm doing is chopping my fresh vegetables. I have carrots and mushrooms. However, you can use whatever vegetables you have on hand, or if you even have frozen vegetables, you can use that as well. That'll be even easier. That'll take you less than 5 minutes to get it ready. Now I have my rice cooker here. Rice cookers are very inexpensive. I got this one, I believe, from Target for like 15 bucks. I'm gonna fill it with my quinoa and my water. And I'm going to mix this. If you have a whisk, that will be a lot easier. What I'm doing is trying to get as much of those clumps out as possible. Now, this is the seasoning that I'm using. I'll have the details below. However, you can use your favorite seasoning or even veggie broth instead of water. Now we're adding in our pink salt, some butter for creaminess, and now we're just gonna dump in our vegetables. So I'm dumping in my mushrooms, carrots, and I also have some frozen broccoli and corn. We're going to mix this as best as we can because my rice cooker is a little small, so try to keep everything in the pot, but we want everything to kind of be coated with the seasonings. Now I'm throwing in some collard greens. These are fresh collard greens, but you can use frozen as well. I'm just packing that on top because as this cooks, it's going to shrivel up and then I can mix it in. So I just turned it on, and after about maybe 10 to 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. So now that everything has kind of shriveled up a little bit, I'm going to now mix in those collard greens. And this is going to be the sequence until it's done. Every 10 to 15 minutes, you're just gonna come back, check it, and mix it to make sure everything is steaming nicely and the quinoa is fluffing up nicely. This was probably after maybe 30 minutes. As you can see, the quinoa has swollen up quite nice. And how you know it's done, which it's not, is the water will be completely evaporated. Okay, so we're waiting for that point and we're just checking it every so often. And this is smelling absolutely amazing right now. Alright, we are at that point. All of the water has evaporated or has been soaked up by the quinoa, and I'm just kind of scraping or looking at the bottom to make sure there's no pooling of water, which there isn't. So I'm going to turn off my rice cooker and serve this rice cooker quinoa. Guys, this recipe is so easy to make and it tastes so good. It's really nice and healthy. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. I put out new videos every single week. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.